Today we're at Matthiessen State Park. It's about 10 degrees this morning. We're about to go do some hiking. I'll be checking out this state park and also Starved Rock Park. We already have some amazing rock formations over here.
Wow.
We're gonna go down these steps to see the bottom of what we were just looking at. Look at this, a waterfall that just froze solid. This is so cool. I accidentally recorded this as a time lapse, but you can see me fall on my ass right about here. We are now headed to the lower dells. We got some cool scenery along the way too. That bridge up there looks really cool. There's a massive frozen waterfall over here. We gotta check it out. This is the loudest ice I've ever walked on. This is insane. Here it is, guys. This giant frozen waterfall. This looks so cool. I wish you could get up here and go behind it, but there's no way. It's way too steep. There's a little log cabin you can go inside of. All right, guys, now we're gonna head over to Starved Rock State Park. So I'll see you there. We have made it to Starved Rock State Park. We are now hiking the St. Louis Canyon Trail. The pictures I saw online of this trail specifically looked really cool, so I wanted to do it first. That is quite the drop. There's another frozen waterfall down there. Here's another giant frozen waterfall that we're on top of. There's where the water's coming from. And normally this would all be flowing water. That's cool. There's like a little cave inside the rock up there. Yeah, this waterfall was huge. I guess we gotta go back the way we came and then find another trail to hike. No, I'm not holding the camera slanted. That's just how these stairs look. We are on the French Canyon Trail, and as you can see from that sign that we passed by, it is very slippery. This is gonna be so worth it. Look at this up here. They're just amazing. And I don't know what causes it, but the waterfall's like two-tone. Half the waterfall's orange and half of it's clear. And look how high up these walls are around us. This is just awesome. We're on the outlook of Wildcat Canyon right now. This right here was absolutely insane. So at the bottom of the waterfall, you can see people standing around, and then you can see they have some sort of rope that goes all the way up the waterfall. And it was only tied on to one small tree. So these people were A, getting ready to climb up the waterfall, or B, they had just rappelled down it. Which either way is absolutely insane. There was a crowd of people watching them, so I think they were getting ready to climb up. I wanted to stay around longer to see what was gonna happen, but I was really tired. I had to go back to the car. All right, guys, that's gonna conclude the video for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next Thursday.